You're on it. There we go. It's a freaking tank, man. It's a dadgum tank. Holy crap. That's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. Freaking crap. Oh shit.
Man. What a dude.
Oh my gosh.
Here it comes.
Oh, oh my gosh, it's a big bass. It's a good bass.
It's a good one.
Oh shoot.
I got him.
There we go. Yeah.
There's one. That's
Yes,
illegal
sir.
too. So that the GoPro went for a drink. Hey, it's still waterproof, isn't that something? He's gonna be legal.
Yeah, dude. Anything my weight.
That's all right. Let's measure him, get a weight on him.
Oh my god.
Look at the wet cat. I wonder if it still works. I think he caught. No. He said he caught 3 already.
I caught my dad's line. I watched him on live.
Wait, hold on.
Who caught the fish? Who caught the fish? Hey, I'm saying he caught it.
I say, I don't know. Hold on, let's look. Yeah, you put it down. That looks like we caught him, dude.
No, come on now. Who caught the fish?
I caught him.
Yeah, he caught it, man. That's crazy.
I'm sorry, I was watching live scope.
Did you catch him off live scope?
Yes, sir. I watched him the whole way.
You hold your fish.
Hey, I think you were robbed, by the way.
I was wrong.
Yeah.
I don't think
I think that was his fish, and your hook got stuck in his mouth.
I don't think so, man.
And he pulled his hook out of the mouth.
I kept the hook